Okay, so good afternoon, class 8. So now
Good
we are
afternoon, sir.
going to start our today's class. And in today's class, first of all, I will start explaining from the previous question. And the previous question was the table. Yes. The table was the last question which I have given. Yes, Janvisha, any confusion? So let me explain that question again. So I am sharing my screen. Is it visible, bachcho?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now
Yes, sir.
see for writing the program for table, please try to understand. Uh, Suppose you have entered the number n and you wanted to generate the table for this n. Chaitanya Singhal, please pay attention. So, what we do, what is the general format of the table? See, the table is coming like this. So, first of all, we are supposed to multiply this number by 1. Then, whatever the answer you are getting, that we are supposed to print. That is your R here. Next time, number is same. Number is remains same, but this time the natural number you are increasing through which you are multiplying, that is 2. Then again you are getting the new result and then again you are printing that one. Then this process you will repeat. You will multiply the number from 1 to n, 1 to 10, because we are going to generate table for 10 terms only. So every time we are multiplying this n by 1, 2, 3, 4. So what are these? Who will tell? Chaitanya Singhal. So these are the, yes, these are the natural number. That is why what we are supposed to do, please try to understand. We are supposed to generate loop from 1 to 10 for natural number. Means, what do you mean by natural number? That means after 1 you want 2, then 3, then till 10. So how you will write that question? Let me show you this. So first of all we will write java.util. We will add this package. After that, scanner ob equals to new scanner system.in. Side by side I am writing the program also. One loop, one variable is required for loop, one is for the number and one is for storing the term like t. Am I clear? After that we will put a message, enter any number. After that what you are supposed to do, you will store that number in a variable n, and for that we will write ob.next int. Till here is it clear? Yashvardhan?
Yes, sir.
After that we need a loop. So now see, you can see the loop is required for multiplying the number starting from 1 to n. So what has to be the first starting point? 1. The last point has to be 10 and then I plus plus. Is it clear, this loop?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So the starting point I am using 1. Why? Because first of all we are supposed to multiply this number by 1. After that 1 plus plus. I plus plus means you will get 2, then 3, then 4. Then the last value of I would be 10. Right? Now, what will be the body? Body will be t equals to the number multiplied by the natural number, and the result is coming in this t only. So what you will print? The value of this. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Chaitanya Singhal, the logic is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now see, while after executing, so first of all you will get the message, enter any number, and after that we will get the table of, like, see, now you are getting the table of 6 till 10 terms. Am I clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Any confusion in the logic?
No, sir.
So just try to understand
Sir?
this. Yes.
Sir, why the computer printed is 2 times, sir?
Because the first is the beta,
One was
one is the number and one is the first term. That is why.
Okay, sir.
And you can ask these things in very easy manner. No need to shout. Okay? Remember everyone.
Yes, sir.
Please. So now, so the loop.
me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, I have joined late, so
Okay.
can you please explain what happened?
Ishan Srivastav, right?
Yes, sir.
Now see, for writing, see, the last question was the table of a number. So in that thing, first of all, we are inputting a number in n. After that, we are generating the loop from 1 to 10. And every time we are multiplying this number by the natural number and we are storing the result in t. And then after we are printing t in that as a result. And these two terms we are writing inside the body. So how many times this part will execute? How many times? Exactly 10 times.
10 times. Yes, sir.
Am I clear, Ishan?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Any confusion?
No, sir.
Now the next question. Write down yourself. Write down. Everyone write down the question. Web to print. All web to print square of each even number up to the limit. Write down this question, everybody, and post the solution in the chat box only. Got it? Print square of each even number up to the limit, and here we are assuming the limit user is inputting even. Got it? Got it, everyone? The question is there in the chat box also. Everybody please try.
Sir, what is the limit, sir?
The limit user will enter na,
Okay, sir.
that you have to take input. Krinali Nayak. Krinali. Try everyone and post the solution in the chat box only. The question is there on your screen. Web to print square of each even number up to the limit. Got it, everyone? The question is clear or not? Class 8. The limit has to take from the user. Just ask from the user. Only 50 of you have joined till now. It's already 1:05. Mayank Chaudhary, please try. Aprajita Singh is there. Aprajita,
Yes, sir.
are you getting this question, beta?
Yes, sir.
And the solution, the table one, is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Audible?
Yes, you are audible. Please continue, Aprajita. Yes, Yashvardhan, what is problem?
Sir, no problem.
Okay. Aditya Pratap Singh.
Yes, sir.
Beta, any confusion?
No, sir.
Pulkit Pathak.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
Very good. Now the Google attendance form you will get at 1:30 in the GCR. After the class you need to fill. Chinmay, please do not share the jam file. Okay?
Sorry, sir. By mistake. Sorry, sir.
No problem, no problem. No need to say sorry. I am just telling you, beta, na? Because I cannot check right now because the system is slow. Today's machine is not working properly. So I am facing some problem.
Posted my program.
Where?
Sir, in the chat.
Okay, Ishan, Chaitanya Singhal, Chetan, absolutely fine.
Sir, I
Beta.
think mine is wrong. Some auto correction has happened, so I will rewrite.
Chetan, yours is correct.
Okay, sir.
And Mr. Ishan, yours is wrong. That's not a auto correction. That is wrong actually. Please pay attention in the
Yes,
test.
sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I have rewritten.
Yes. Now it is better. Ishan, it has to be in the test condition less than equals to. Okay? Rest is fine. Not greater than. Okay, Ishan? Ishan, please do the required correction. Still wrong. Greater than नहीं होगा बेटा. In test condition, you need to write less than equals to. Yes, this is better. Who else? Except Ishan and Yashvardhan. Ishan and Chinmay Jain. चैतन्य सिंगल. इसके अलावा भी कोई बच्चे हैं बेटा? तनव कुकरेजा, प्लीज ट्राई. अमितेश, सम्यक कुमार, अमितेश कुमार, सम्यक, सम्यक.
Yes, sir.
बेटा, why you were missing the previous so many classes, huh?
Sir, I was there, sir.
नहीं, सॉरी, अमितेश कुमार, अमितेश.
Yes, sir.
Sir, one class has I missed by the internet problem and I have been on the classes.
बेटा, see, after the class gets over, you, Amitesh and Samyak Kumar, you will wait. You will not leave. Okay? I need to talk to you. Kashyap Mahanta, it is, it is correct. Kashyap,
Yes, sir.
Karan, wait.
Sir, please check mine.
Beta, I am checking just. Riddhi, wait. Dev Kashyap Mahanta, it has to start with 2, not 0. Adya, yours is correct. Yash Verma, who is Yash Verma? Yash Verma, yours is wrong. You are printing the square of natural number. Palak Tripathi, beta, please quiet. Vaibhav,
Can you send on a WhatsApp?
no. WhatsApp, today my WhatsApp is not working. After, please mute yourself after asking the doubts. Mayank Chaudhary, yours is correct.
Sir, can you check mine?
Yes, Palak, wait. I am telling beta. Palak, yours is correct. Yash Verma, yours is wrong. Riddhi, where is your question and solution? Wait, I got it. Riddhi, yours is correct. Well done, beta.
Thank you, sir.
Archit Verma, beta, yours is incomplete. The curly braces, the closing curly braces is missing. Rest is fine. Pulkit Pathak, yours is also correct. Vaishnavi Gupta, all of you listen what I am saying. Vaishnavi, yours is correct. Aprajita, do it fast. Rajveer, yes, Samyak. You are asking, you are raising your hand.
It is a touch mistake in my mobile.
Okay. Rajveer Prakash, yours is correct. Beta, Yash Verma, still it is wrong because you are using I plus plus. It has to I plus equals to 2 because we need to generate the square of each even number and the difference in the even numbers are 2, not of 1. Man Gedia, yours is correct.
Sir, I will send you right away. Sir, mine is correct, sir.
Karan, wait. Yashvardhan in the test, but your solution is wrong. Yashvardhan, I am telling what is wrong. Aprajita, yours is correct.
Excuse me, sir.
Beta, wait, please. Bhavni, yours is correct, but less than the sign of less than equals to is wrong. Yash Verma, yours is now correct. Very good. Yes, who was asking?
Sir, mine is correct, sir, Karan.
Beta, where you have sent? I didn't get.
Sir, I have switched my cameras on opposite side, sir.
Just wait. Karan,
Yes, sir.
beta, you are not visible.
Sir, it's just I actually so you can check my work, sir. Sir.
Yes,
But I have also in my chat box. Please see it.
beta, I have told na. Mayank Chaudhary, na, it is correct now.
Sir, I am not supposed to do for my.
Yashvardhan, your is wrong because you have written I is greater than n. It has to less than equals to n. Rest is fine.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sumanyu, okay, Sumanyu, no problems. Shardul, Veer, it is correct. Shardul, Dev Kashyap, Manta, it is correct. Now let me share my screen. I am going to help you. Now see, the question is, everybody is getting my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now,
Yes, sir.
please pay attention here. See,
Sir, your voice is not clear.
beta, just relax. You will get my voice clearly. Okay, just relax. Enter any even limit. This message we are printing, giving to the user. Now, the first even number is 2. And now it, sorry, not 3. And now it has to be n. And number of times I have told you this. And now what you are supposed to do? I into I. So what you are going to print? The square. The square here I have stored in T. So I am printing only T. Now see. All the result is coming on the screen. Is it clear, everyone? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the next one. Next question, everyone. Web to print. Everybody please write down the question. Web to print cube of each natural number up to the limit. Try the next question, everyone. Mute yourself. Web to print cube of each natural number up to the limit. Hurry up. The question I am posting in the chat box. Arnav, what happened?
Sir, I posted my solution.
Nothing.
Sir, I posted my solution.
But I have seen also, don't worry. Chetan, your is correct. Okay, Chetan? Very good. Adya, your is correct. But your is wrong actually. See the update expression. Adya, your update expression cannot be I equals to I plus plus. Please pay attention. Ishan, your is wrong. I am asking the cube of each natural number. So natural number is starting from 1 till less than. It has to be less than equals to L. I plus plus. Look at here, everybody. Now the next solution is enter limit. So now in the next question, what you are doing, the starting point has to be 1 and we need to generate the natural number. And for cube, what you can use, see here, you can use the inbuilt method also like this. What? I comma 3. Am I clear? This is also you should know. Otherwise you will face problem. See.
Please see I sent in chat box.
Now see on my screen beta. The solution I have already written. Try to understand. Now instead of repetition method, I am using the inbuilt method mat.pow. Instead of like this, you can write t equals to I into I into I. That is also correct. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Both methods are correct. I into I is also correct, or you can use the inbuilt method mat.pow I comma 3. Now see, the natural number is cube is coming 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube and 5 cube. Is it clear everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the next question I am going to give you. Try yourself. Now the next question is, you need to copy all these questions in your notebook.
Okay, sir.
Please note down. Got it? So what is my question? Suppose user has entered n equals to 3. So what will be the output? Who will tell?
N equals to 9.
So,
No, 6.
yes. So the answer must be 6. And if user has entered 5, then what will be the output? 15. Getting my point? Sum of all natural number up to the limit. If the limit is 3, then the answer must be 6. But if he has entered 4, then the answer must be 10. Am I clear everybody? So like this n, the limit user has to take, user has to enter, and user can enter anything, and you need to generate sum. I am giving you 5 minutes for this. Please try to understand this yourself. This is the answer. So how many output you will get in this question? Who will tell?
Up to the limit.
How many outputs? Please listen carefully what I am asking. My question is, in this program, how many outputs you will get?
Sir, 1, I think.
Don't think. I am asking exact number of output. So in this case, if the user is inputting n, suppose the number of limit is 5. In that case, the output must be only 1. Don't think. Only 1, because the sum is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 equals to 10. Right? So ultimately, we are printing the sum of the natural number. Getting my point? Please try everyone, otherwise I will explain this. I am giving you last 2 minutes. Hurry up, child. Yash. Yash Verma, it is wrong, beta. Pulkit,
Sir, can you please explain it once more?
yes, definitely, beta. Now everybody please pay attention on the screen.
Yes, sir.
Now see what we are going to do. Please try to understand. Suppose user is inputting the limit n, right? And the user can enter anything. Don't think any particular number is required. No. Suppose he has entered 4. The value of n, he has entered 4. So what do you want? You wanted to generate sum of all natural number up to that limit. So the limit is here 4. So what should be the output, Aparajita?
10.
Yes. So how many outputs you are getting in this one? 10. Am I clear? Am I clear? The logic is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Should I explain this? Yashvardhan, should I explain?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now, so this is a new thing which we are going to understand. So please try to understand how we will do this. See, whenever we are doing this type of question in which we are generating single output, so for that we need one more variable like s equals to 0. So why I am doing this s equals to 0? Because we are going to generate result in a variable s. And now the question is to generate to print the sum of sum of natural number up to the limit. So the natural number has to start from 1 up to the limit. How? For the natural number. So that is why we are generating a loop for I plus plus. Is it clear?
Sir, I have sent, please see.
Beta, now I can't see. Please. Right? Wait for some time. I will see after this. Okay, beta? Okay. Am I clear? Now, so what we are going to do? Who is this? Who has sent the solution? Who is this? Keshav Pandey? Rudrakshi? Beta, Rudrakshi, yours is absolutely fine. Very good. Keshav? Keshav?
Yes, sir.
Beta, yours is very silly mistake you have done, but 99.99% it is correct. Mayank, please mute yourself.
Sir, please check mine.
Beta, you have copied only. That is why.
No, sir.
कोई बात नहीं. Mayank Chaudhary, yours is wrong, beta. But this was the previous question, na? This is wrong. The solution I have told you. Now wait. Look at here on the screen, everybody. So now see, Archit, how many outputs you will get in this question? See. Beta, please mute yourself. So in case of single output, please try to understand. In case of single output, always the printing has to be outside of the body. Everybody please pay attention. The printing will be outside of the body. Why? Because you are getting a single output. And now what we are doing? Suppose, let me show you the dry run. बच्चों, थोड़ा ध्यान से देखिएगा. Suppose n is 4. So first of all, your control is coming here. So I becomes 1. 1 is less than equals to 4. Yes or no? Chetan?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that means the control is coming inside the body. So here the value of s was 0. So 0 equals to 0 plus 1. 0 equals to 0 plus 1. What happened? 1. Next time, after this, your control moves on this I plus plus. So it becomes 2. So now again you are coming on this part. So 2 is less than equals to 4. Yes? Yes or no? So again the condition becomes true. So we are coming inside. So what was the last value of s? That is 1. So what is happening? 1 equals to 1 plus 2. So what is happening? Now it becomes 3. So what is the current value of s? 3. So 1 plus 2, that you know. It is 3. So it is happening the same way. Next time I would be 3. So 3 plus 3, it will be now third time 6. Next time I plus plus, so it becomes 4. 4 is less than equals to 4. It is not less than, but it is equals to. So the condition is again true. Again we are coming inside. So the previous value of s was 6. So what is happening? 6 equals to 6 plus current value of I, that is 4. So now ultimately it becomes this. So and after this loop, when the value of I would be 5. So 5 is less than equals to 4? No. So this loop won't execute. So directly you are getting the value of s, that is 5. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Now let me show you the execution. Let me show you the execution. It is very, very important for you. Now see, suppose you have entered 3. So what is the output? Sum is 6. Am I clear? So what is happening? 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals to the final answer is you are getting here this 6. Am I clear, everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any confusion?
Sir, I still not understood.
Yashvardhan?
No, sir, I'm not.
Karan Agrawal?
No, sir, Arnav.
Arna, go
No,
ahead.
sir, I understood.
Okay. Now see again, let me explain and try to understand. See, we need to generate loop for natural number. So here we are generating loop 1 equal starting from 1 to the limit I plus plus. Is it clear, Arna Goyal?
Yes.
And now this statement is very common whenever you are doing sum of something. So one variable is required that has to be declared with 0, and 0, then the statement would be s equals to s plus I. So every time we are adding the current value of I in a previous value of s. So ultimately the last value would be your final result. So that last value we are printing outside of the loop. Why we are printing outside of the loop? Because there is only a single output. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Now is it clear, everybody?
So we will print, sir, we will always print outside of the loop.
See, this actually depends on the question. If there is a single output, now everybody please pay attention. If there is a single output in the question, always you will print the you will write the statement SOPLN outside of the loop body. But like in the previous question, when you were printing the table and when you were printing the square of all natural number, even number, so in that we were getting the multiple outputs. Am I clear, Yashwardhan?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So whenever you are getting the multiple outputs, in that case you need to write the SOPLN statement inside the body. But when you are having the single statement, single output, in that case you will print the output outside of the body. Unmute yourself, beta. So here we are getting the single output, that is why we are writing this statement outside of the loop body. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Now should I give them one more program, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now wait. Now one more thing. Listen. After the class, you need to fill the attendance form. Samyak and Amitesh Kumar, please wait after the class also. You will not leave. This web to print.
Sir, can we mail it on WhatsApp?
No, don't mail me on WhatsApp. Web to print sum of all even numbers up to the limit. One more. Second one is web to enter any number and print their factor. The second question is little bit tricky.
Sir, I have sent the first one.
Very good. Let me check.
I was meant to send the first one.
Well done. Let me check. Okay. With this, I am ending today's class. Thank you so much, everyone. You can leave one by one. बच्चों, the homework I have posted in the chat box also. Okay, you can leave, fill the attendance form. You can leave, बच्चों, fast. Thank you so much, class.